What is going on, my YouTube friends? Yes, today is Dutch Oven Sunday because we are doing the Dark Matter Dutch Oven Wars. Yeah, buddy. Well, let's do this. Whoa, everybody. All right, now for the entry here, we are cooking. Oh, yeah, look at that, some beef. Oh, yeah. We got some taters there cut up. Mushrooms. Yeah, buddy. Carrots. Onion. We're going to put all that goodness right here in this little Dutch oven for the Dark Matter Dutch Oven Wars. Okay, so I'm going to get my meat and everything prepared, get everything put in here, and I'll get right back with you. All right, I got to clean my meat up a little bit, and I rinsed it off real good and everything. So I'm going to put our seasoning on it. Yeah, buddy. Smell the goodness. That's what I did. I mixed the seasoning in the packet with the seasoning that I made up. Yeah, baby. Come on. Shake her up, baby. Shake her up good. Here, I'm showing you parts you don't even need to see. All right, let me get this finished putting this coating on there, and I'll start putting everything together. Oh, look at all that goodness in there. All right, I'm going to let all this get up to pretty much room temperature. I'm going to go out and start my coals, and then we'll get to cooking. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay, guys, it's all done. Let's look at the goodness. Oh, Lord, look at that. Woo-wee. Man, I can't wait to get into that. All right, let's get everything prepared, and we'll dish it up, and we'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, we got this baby cooking. Woo-wee. Hey, man, like I said, this is for the Dark Matter Dutch Oven Wars. So we're going to get her done. I can't wait, man. This is going to be so yummy. Oh, yeah, baby. And to let you know, this is only my second time cooking in the Dutch oven. So just bear with me. Hopefully it turns out as good as the chicken I did. All right. We'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. We'll let this baby cook for a couple hours. We'll check her out and see where we're at. Well, we got a couple hours cooking here. I come and get some more charcoal going and check it out. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, smell the good. Oh, does that look so damn good. Hoo-hoo, baby. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. So good. All right. Well, I got to move the charcoal around to get some more charcoal on it. But it's smelling and looking tremendous right now. All right, guys, this is it. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. Oh, baby. Oh, it's juicing. Oh, see how it just fell apart? Woo-hoo-hoo. Man, oh, man. Smell that goodness. Oh, yes. All right. Oh, but just falling apart. It's wonderful. Guys, this thing right here is going to be delicious. I should have did pulled beef on this one. Woohoo! All right, well, we'll get this thing dished up and let's get her done. Lord have mercy, look at that. Got a little of this homemade spaghetti. This is a new creation spaghetti. And we got my meat, potatoes, carrot, mushrooms. Oh boy. Yeah, man, that stuff just comes apart. Oh, yeah. Get a carrot here with that. Have mercy. Lord, thank you for this food. Well, I'm going to tell you something, man. I'm really starting to enjoy that cooking in those Dutch ovens. You know what I'm saying? From now on, I'm just going to smoke and cook everything in the Dutch oven. Food just tastes so much better. I mean, it really does. I mean, it just seems like it cooks more evenly. Oh, man, I'm telling you what. And, man, we had a heck of a dinner tonight. My wife tried some spaghetti. I guess they call it the $1 million spaghetti or whatever. And so we kind of made that to go with our, food and everything tonight out of the Dutch oven. And I'm going to tell you, whew, I'm as full as a tick. But I really enjoy the Dutch ovens. And these Dutch oven wars, hey, man, they're going to be a lot of fun. I think I'm going to like this. Dark Matter, all you guys, man, it's doing it. I enjoy watching your videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. And you bet I'm going to do it again. Oh, yeah. And Whew, let's get her done. Big boy ate good tonight. Oh boy, I'll be full for a week. All right, guys, check out the other Dutch Oven Wars, Dark Matter. He has a playlist on them. Get over and check him out. I will put his description in a list below that goes to his playlist. It's awesome. You guys will dig it. And I'm going to tell you something. There's some great cooks on there. Oh boy.